This is the relaunch of the One Problem podcast. I am Avil Beckford, host of the One Problem podcast. The podcast has been on hiatus for a while, and now I'm ready to relaunch it. For the next 8 weeks, I will dissect one problem and I'll provide you with a solution. The 2 months will give me the time and space to find and secure guests for the podcast. In the past, the format was that a guest presented a problem and they had 6 minutes to present a solution to that problem. You may think that 6 minutes is not long, but there's so much ground someone can uncover during that time. Here's the problem I'm going to solve today. I read, I highlight, I forget. People read books, take notes, and still cannot use what they have learned. What I'm going to talk to you about is this: notes are unhelpful to you until you use them to solve a problem, make a decision, take action, create a habit, or even create tools. So, where do we begin today? When you're reading a book, set a clear intention for why you're reading it, because that makes taking action, applying what you learn, so much easier. So think of something that's going on in your workplace right now, whether it's a difficult decision you have to make, an important problem you have to solve, and perhaps in your personal life, there's a new habit you want to form. Are there tools you want to create to streamline your work? So, which books will help you do that? And which books are important to help you make big decisions, solve important problems? Don't just read one book on the topic. Read 2 to 5 books that will help you solve the problem or make the decision. What are some questions you would like the book or books to answer for you, so that when you actually start reading the book, you know which information to focus on? Create a bibliography of about 10 good books on the topic. Then you want to do some quick research on the books because you want to narrow them down to 3 to 5. You want to preview the books to get a sense of which sections or chapters of the books to focus on. When you have whittled down the list from 10 books to 3 to 5, and you have previewed the books, now it's time to read the books in relationship to each other. Take notes on the sections and chapters that are most relevant to you. So after you finish the 3 to 5 books and have taken notes, review your notes a few times. Right now, you may have many ideas, a ton of ideas. Take the time to choose one idea that will solve the problem, help you decide, form the habit, or create the tool you need. Implement within the next 24 to 48 hours. When you act within 24 to 48 hours, it's unlikely that you'll forget what you've learned. I'm Avil Beckford. This was the one problem. I'll see you next week. Thank you.